Good evening, good people, ladies and gentlemen of the Township of Irvington, council members, mayors. Thank you for all coming out and hearing what I have to say today. My name is Deborah Evans, and today I would like to discuss the contamination of our water. It has been brought to our attention that the fish in our town has been dying, and we need to do something about it. There can be numerous reasons why these toxins are killing our fish in the community. I would like to bring to your attention the pollution in our city that falls into the water. We have plastic, we have garbage, we have numerous things that people just toss on the ground, which cause toxins. It called a toxin with the plastic, causes a toxin called Benzpyl, which impairs the growth of oxygen in the water. This is just one of our concerns. There can be fecal matter inside the water, which causes damage to the gastrointestinal tract. It also depletes the oxygen inside of the water. There is also excessive allergen in the water as well, which we need to get cleaned out for our fish to live better. Also, we have parents who have little ones in the park who may have taken a bowel movement and have a soiled diaper. But some parents just put it in the garbage and some just throw it wherever they want to be, or they have their child throw it. So if we place garbage bins by our ponds, our creeks, our brooks, or whatever else we have in the park or next to the benches where the kids may be playing, that will help us also with the contamination in the water. These toxins come from people, just the everyday living, the things we carry around and we just toss. Like we have little plastics that we just toss and things like that, not thinking anything of it because we just don't want to be throwing it in the garbage because we want to be a little lazy at times. It happens to all of us. If we push for more trash cans, like I said, near the ponds, the brooks, and the creeks, we'll solve the problem just a little bit. We have discovered what is killing our fish, and it's called aminofertilizer. I am not imposing that the crop runners are intentionally pouring aminofertilizer into the water. They can be over-fertilizing or at the wrong time of the year. And that comes from when it rains, the water dries. Droughts, it goes into the droughts and it goes into our water. So sometimes, they're not doing it intentionally. They just could be doing it at the wrong time of the year, or they can just be doing it too much. Even with people who have gardens, they also can be doing it. However, it's destroying our fish. We need to come together as a community. I provided a short video of the town council and the residents participating in cleanup in our township. I ask that we get more support from town council to make this constant. I appreciate your time in this matter. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.